Let's see. Dad, can you stand up for just a second? Nope, nope. Stand up. Straddle the seat. I want to see how tall to make the seat.
I think it needs to be on the lowest.
Well, it was.
Yeah. No, it's my turn.
You just use your feet, honey. Put your feet down. Push with your feet.
Push with your feet.
Like walking.
No, my turn.
Okay. Let go and let him do it on his own.
Okay.
My turn. My turn. Oh, my dog left. My bicycle. My bicycle. Yay! I love her. Oh, my dog's cute. My bicycle's cute. I love that. Oh no! What's happening? It's broken.
Let me see. How about you come to this side so you can see his face, Amber?
Yeah. Oh.
Because he's going to turn around anyway.
No, stop.
Is it cute?
Yeah, I love it. What's wrong, Mommy? What's wrong, Daddy? What's wrong, Daddy? Dog, he's my best. Oh, my back just fell down.
Is your bike cute?
No, a back so just fall down. It's a bad news. Oh, oh no, my back goes falls down. Oh,
Use your feet.
oh.